Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how you can change your website's URL in Google Sites. Now before starting, if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sites, you're a beginner or even if you're a first timer in using this software, do not worry because I got you covered as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process and how to do this thing. Now if you're interested in watching, we actually have a dedicated video that covers all the basic features and functions of this software, and you might want to check it out. Now, just to give us a bit of a background, Google Site is a free web-based tool that is used to create websites that is ideal for both personal and professional use. Now, as you can see right here, I have my website, and in the previous video, I have taught you on how you can publish your website and set up your own domain. Now, for instance, let's say for example, I have decided that I want to change the name of my website because as of the moment, so let's say, for example, I want to change the URL of this website because at the moment I have this as my link or URL, which is Project X 1999. As you can see, I have an access to here. Now, if I want to change it, it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is to head over to the publish icon right over here, which is also the icon that we clicked when publishing a website. But this time, since we have already published it, you have a drop-down menu right over here. Click on the arrow icon and click on Publish Settings. Now from here, you can set up your custom domain again. Now, just like what I've said in the previous video, you want to set up a unique web address that is not taken. Because if I type, let's say for example, Project X, as you can see, this is already taken, so that we cannot use it now. Now, let's say, for example, I want to name it Learn Expert Sample Website. Now, as you can see, this one is acceptable because no one has used this web address in the past. Now, if I want to save it, all I have to do is click on Save. And as you can see, it will save my settings. And if I copy on the link right here, as you can see, I have the updated URL. I can just copy the link and press it here. And as you can see, we have the access to our website because we have already updated the URL on the Google Sites software itself. As you can see right here. As simple as that, you can easily change the URL of your website to your likings in Google Sites. Now, if you did learn something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like and hitting that notification bell, and leave a comment down below in which you would like to see from us next. I'll take it from here, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.